Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting and important problem from that chapter induction, mathematical induction, okay, which we will prove by principle of mathematical induction. Here question is, prove the following by the principle of induction for all natural number n. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So here given statement, this is denoted by Pn. Any mathematical statement is denoted by this notation Pn, okay. So this Pn is here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. This is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Suppose this is relation number 1. Okay, we have to establish this mathematical statement here. So very interestingly, we will do this question. So you know principle of mathematical induction, there are two steps. First step, we have to show that given statement Pn is true for n is equal to 1, means P1 is true, first step. And second step, we assume that Pr is true, means statement Pn is true for n is equal to r, and we show that Pr plus 1 is also true. Then by principle of mathematical induction, this statement will be true for all n. Okay. So what is the first step? In the first step, we have to show that P1 is true, means statement Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. So first of all, we have to show that P1 is true, and for this we put n is equal to 1 in LHS as well as RHS of relation number 1, and we will show that LHS and RHS both are equal, both are same. So it will be established that P1 is true. So therefore putting n is equal to 1 in relation number 1. Okay. So here we are getting in left hand side, if you put n is equal to 1, here number of terms are n, but if you are taking n is equal to 1, it means we are taking only one term. So in left hand side only one term is 1 square, and in right hand side this is 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 divided by 6, or left hand side 1, right hand side is 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 6. Okay, so 2 3 is 6, 3 3 cancel, or we are getting 1 is equal to 1, which is true, So therefore it means P1 is true. It has been now established that P1 is true. LHS is equal to RHS by putting n is equal to 1 in relation number 1. So first step is complete. Now second step, we have to suppose that let Pr be true, means this given statement number 1 is true for n is equal to r. Okay, that is put n is equal to r in relation number 1. So that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to r square is equal to, in right hand side put n is equal to r. So r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 divided by 6. You write it relation number 2. So second step of principal induction, we are assuming that Pr is true. And now what we have to show? Final step, we have to show that Pr plus 1 is true. What does it mean? It means that Pn is true for n is equal to r plus 1. Correct. So let us establish it. So we have to put here n is equal to r plus 1 in relation number 1. In relation number 1. So here Pn is this one. So putting n is equal to r here, we are getting here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to r square is equal to, in place of n, sorry, we are putting here r plus 1, n is equal to, so r square plus r plus 1 whole square. This is left hand side. Putting n is equal to r plus 1, and in right hand side also we'll put n is equal to r plus 1 here. So r plus 1, and this is r plus 1 and plus 1, so r plus 2, and this is n is r plus 1, so 2 into r plus 1 means 2r plus 2 plus 1 means 2r plus 3 divided by this 6. So here we have to establish it. We have to show that LHS and RHS both are equal. Okay. So let us start with left hand side. Left hand side is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square r square and r plus 1 whole square. Correct. Up to this part, 1 plus 2 plus 3 r square, we can use here relation number 2, and in place of this much we can write this expression. So by relation number 2. Okay. So for this part we can write this by relation number 2. So this is r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 divided by 6, and this term is remaining here, r plus 1 whole square, r plus 1 whole square. We are writing it with the help of relation number 2. Okay, so let us see here, r plus 1 will be common here, r plus 1 is common, and LCM is 6, so let us write 6 outside here, and here remaining part is r into 2r plus 1, r into 2r plus 1, and here LCM is 6, so this is 6 into r plus 1. So 1 r plus 1 has been common, so remaining is r plus 1 square is here, isn't it? Let us simplify it and we will come to this point. Then it will be established that LHS is equal to RHS. We have started here from LHS and we have to come to this RHS. This RHS. Okay. Simplify it. So this is r plus 1 divided by 6 into this into 2r square plus r plus 6r plus 6. Okay. And this is equal to r plus 1 divided by 6. So 2r square plus 7r plus 6. Okay. This is quadratic expression, so we have to factorize it. Multiplication of first and last is 12r square. So we have to break 7r in such a way that addition will be 7r and product will be 12r square. So this can be written as 4r plus 3r. So this is r plus 1 by 6 and we will have to factorize it. So 2r square plus 4r plus 3r plus 6, and this is equal to r plus 1 by 6. Here 2r will be common in these two terms. So 2r will be common here. So here r plus 2, and here taking 3 common. So r plus 2, 3 common, r plus 2 divide. Okay, fine. And this is equal to, now final step, this is r plus 1 by 6 and r plus 2 is also common. So r plus 2 and into 2r plus 3. This is 2r plus 3. So we are coming to this step here, right hand side. this step right hand side, and it has been established that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so now by principle of mathematical induction, it has been proved that therefore the statement Pn is true for all n. Okay, now proved. Correct. So process is very simple, just we have to understand the steps, we can come to the result very easily. Hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.